The local aquaculture industry is mainly fish farming, while farming for large-scale crustaceans, such as shrimps and crabs, are less popular. The Fisheries Enhancement Fund, established by the Airport Authority Hong Kong, supported a local research company's pilot project to breed Australian red-clawed crayfish in a factory building. These crayfish grow fast and have strong disease resistance, so they are relatively suitable for high-density indoor breeding. The team rented a 1,100 square feet factory building unit and bred the crayfish in tanks at different water depths, water temperatures, and crayfish densities, monitoring the growth rate and survival rate under different conditions. The behavior of crayfish needs to be considered for optimal breeding. The team observed that crayfish are aggressive and will fight, leading to casualties. To solve the problem, the team separated the crayfish in individual cylinders and boxes.
臭啦，唔適應個水質啦，以及係一啲疾病嘅問題咧而死亡，令到佢嘅存活率咧大概只有50%。咁後嚟咧，我哋都經過反覆改良，我哋有3個世代嘅養殖系統啦，包括採取獨立養殖啦、獨立嘅過濾池啦，同埋係層疊咁嘅養殖咧，令我哋嘅養殖嘅時候存活率咧可以上升去到80%。
The team eventually discovered the optimal indoor breeding environment for crayfish. All members of this project team were born post-90s. Sunny, who was a cultural docent, hopes to develop a brand new, highly efficient aquaculture model through this project, revitalizing the industry and attracting more young people to join. The team is developing a user manual and video clips to introduce local crustacean culturing to the industry and to promote modern fishery techniques. The next step is to breed other species with a shorter harvest period and higher economic value, like tiger prawns.